Well, there we are, 116 Torro LCM3, and I've just got it set up on this FlySky controller. And if we just pop this hatch, so we've got rudders, which we're just going to have a look at. And we've got a servo winch which controls the front ramp. And I just control that on this pot. Just need to be careful you don't overload the servo. Just get it in a neutral position. And if we just take this little guy off, and this, there we have inside. It's running a large 2S LiPo. I haven't put the receiver in properly yet. You can see the winch servo. And then if we look at this side, you can see the little sound system, the little speaker, the rudder servo, and then there's the two 390 motors as well. Really is a nice piece of kit. I'm going to enjoy this.